In this tutorial, we're going to learn about how to create this profile page. Alright, so we're going to start from creating this iPhone 7 background. For that, we're going to click the letter A, and you're going to choose iPhone 7. Okay, so we're going to delete this and bring this guy over here, so make sure it's kind of line up. Alright, and then we're going to start from getting this what do you call this guy right here, new from template, iOS design, regular, open, what was it, status bar? Yeah, status bar, right? So let's get this status bar. So copy this, copy that, I hope I copy it, and paste it over here. There you go. And then line it on top. Where's this guy? Line this on top. There you go. So line it on top. And then, and by the way, I got this example from the website called UIA, and this was the original. And I kind of came out with my own, just adding a little bit different features on top. I got this feature from the app called Groupon. I don't know if you heard about that. It's a great app. I love it. And you can get things for cheap, and it's good. So definitely check it out. So yeah, I got that from there, and then it kind of came out with my own like this. So let's just create this guy right here. Okay. So to start thing, we're gonna create a background. First, we want to create the shape rectangle, and then kind of let's make it about 200. So let's make it 200, and then kind of get this image also from the this image right here. I got this image from a website called unsplash.com. I don't know if you heard about that. It's a great Apple website. You can get the high quality image for free. Whatever you can use it, it's great. So you definitely can check that out too. There you go. So we're gonna paste that here, and then kind of choose these two together, rectangle, and then double click, create a mask. All right, and then we're gonna resize the image by holding the shift key, so that way we're not gonna mess up the resolution and anything like that, the quality of the image. All right, so let's just make it at least not a perfect, but we're gonna try. Let's say about this much, right? Okay, and then let's make it 100th, and we're gonna copy this mask one more time and put it on top like that, and then change the color to black, and get the opacity to, where's my opacity, to 50. Let's make it about 50. Yep, so that sounds better. And then, oh, where's the status bar? Status bar has to be on top, maybe. All right, and now we're gonna create this. I create this all the icons, so just to save time for the tutorial. But I'm gonna make another tutorial for this the icons, how to create them. But for now, we're just gonna copy and paste it. Right, so nav, and then copy this guy and paste it right here. All right, so let's just say rules. Where's my rules? I need my rule. Canvas rules. There you go. 1 and 2. Okay, and take this guy, remove this grid. Okay, so now we don't need rules for now. Just gonna take it off. Show rule, high rule. So another one, you want to copy this guy right here, and then with the plus icon, copy it, and then kind of paste it over here. All right, there you go. It's in place. Right, make sure it is 10 pixel both. So let's say one. Yep, it is 10 pixel. And then we're gonna copy this image also. So this image right here, right? This mask, and this is the image, right? And then we're gonna create this. What was it? The overall, whatever you call it. Let's make it about 100. All right. Let's make it about 100. And then make it white, the borders white. Let's paste it right here. You also want to, select both and mask it. So that way we're gonna have this. And we want to create this border, right? The border has to be wide, and then let's make it about 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This 10 is good. Alright, and by selecting only image and holding the shift key and clicking like 2 times the arrow key, that will jump down your image 10 pixels. So if you don't click the shift, it will kind of goes down every 1 pixel, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you want to hold the shift key, it will go 10 pixel up and down, and left and right also, right? So we're going to click that, and then by selecting this group, center the image. There you go. And then let's make it about 1, 2, 3. Hold on, about 1, 2, 3. I think it's 3 is good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's good enough. So we're gonna create this, the name, right? The name would be, let's say, text, and saying that Jimmy G's steak, right? Steaks. There you go, and make it. No, I don't need this. Okay, let's make it about. Let's make a Lato, and then regular. Let's make it regular, just bold. Okay, and also center the image on the text and move it to the top. So just the right place, and change the color also to white. Okay, so we're gonna move down about 1. Let's say 10 is good, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say about, no, that's not good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. This is good. Right now, we want to create this background first. So I think we're done with the profile image and all that. We want to create, let's make it a little bit bigger, this text, right? The text is 14. Lato bold, and ours only 12. So let's make it about this bigger and make it center the text. And this guy, open sans regular 12. All right, open sans regular 12, and that color is that kind of bluish, right? All right, so let's create the background for this guy. This is the background we need. So let's go to shape, rectangle, and then kind of match it about this much, right? So that would be 375 by something we don't know yet. So, right, let's make it about 1, 2, 3. Let's make it about 30. And then kind of drag it down. So we don't need borders. Fill with, let's get the color from this sketchApp background. All right, this looks fine to me. Okay. So now we're gonna put this guys right here. Text, right? So we're gonna come up here and then text. So type it near me. Oops. Let's make the color is not a bold color. Let's make a color first of all. It's about this much. Don't know what's the color of this guy. The color of this guy is 909090. Okay, copy that. Open sans regular 12. Alright, open. Where's my open? Open sans. Where's open sans? Sometimes this open sans right here. And we don't need bold, we need just a regular guy. And then kind of center the text. 110 is fine. And this is good too. Alright. So this guy, the color has to be 909090. Enter. Hit the enter. And then so let's make a copy of this. Paste it. And then let's make it about 1, 2, 3. Am I right? Is it 3 is good? Right? 1, 2. No, 2 is fine. So 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Okay. So the next one will be goodies, and the next one will be things to do. Things to do. All right. 1, 2. And then kind of copy that one more time. Make it 1, 2. Let's make it this one beauty. Delete that. And beauty and getaway, right? Getaway. Copy that and make it, oh, we made it 14, so that's why it's not good. Getaways. Alright, select everything by holding the shift key and resize it by 12. That's fine. Alright, so let's see. That's good. 1, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, and getaway will be 1, 2. And the last one we will be putting restaurant. Just put this way is good enough. Alright, 1, 2. Okay. So now we're gonna create this guys right here. Okay. So we're gonna start creating this rectangle first, and the size of this rectangle was 210 by 345 by 210. Okay, let's create that shape and rectangle. Let's just do this 345 by 210. Alright, don't need borders, and then center the image. Alright, and then let's make it about, I don't know, oops. Let's see, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is good. 15 is fine. And then we're gonna put the radius to 15 also. So we got 15 space, 15 is fine. Alright. So now we wanna create 210. Let's make it half of this the map and half of this text, right? So we want to create this first map. Where's my map? All right. Wait, oops, there you go. So this is the one we'll need. I need this guy too. So look at this. Watch this. Shape, oops. Shape, rectangle, and then kind of copy this 345 by 105. Okay, so we only need to make borders on the two sides, but we don't need borders to be rounded on the bottom side, right? So we want to click the edit by holding, this is already selected, so by holding shift key and click this one also. So we selected both, 1, 2, and corners gotta be 15, 1, 5. Click, boom, you got this. See that? And we don't need borders. Change the color to white just to make a difference. And oops, I don't need that. Right, and I need this mask, right? And that's the map, right? That's the one I need. Copy it, paste it right here, and then let's say we wanna mask it out, right? Mask. There you go. See that? We got the mask. There you go. So now what we're gonna do is we wanna put the name of this Jimmy G steak in the middle. Okay, sort of in the middle, but not exactly in the middle. Kind of. Right? This is fine, I think. Yep, this is good. And then we're gonna location, copy it, paste it right here, and zoom it. Kind of, oops, kind of reposition it. There you go. 1, 2, 3, something like that. And then we're gonna copy this guy too. I create this logo. Well, you know, also when I was creating these logos, the icons, I create this one too. So I will definitely, you know, make a video about this one too. Just copy for now and then kind of paste it, right? And then zoom it, paste it in the middle. Make sure 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. That's one is good. This is fine. All right. So now we want to change the color of this guy as a white. So now we need this one to be a white, and then let's make a shadow. Let's add some shadow. Let's make it 1, and blur is also 1. 1 is fine. Maybe 2. 2. Yeah, 2. 2. And opacity would be 50. Yep. Opacity will be 50. There you go. This is good. And the color, I need some white color about here. Yep. Alright. So now I'm gonna create this guys right here, right? The logo and the name and how far it is, and what's the rating, right? Rating is 4.9, which is good. I love it. Let's make this guy first. Go to shapes and oval. The size, I believe, was, what was the size of this guy? Hold on. I created a size of 41. I don't know why I have 41, not even 40, but that's all right. So we want to create a 40. 40 is fine. 40 is fine. No borders needed. And then copy this logo. I downloaded from Google. You can find in Google anything you want, and then kind of make it together. Mask it out. Mask. Right? And then let's make it logo. What's this one? This is map. Okay. So now reposition this by 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. So let's say we want to put the name to. I create this one, open sound semi-bold 12, black color. Alright. So text, say Jimmy G steak. Oops, steaks. And then change the color to black. And then the 12 is fine. Alright. And then make a copy, paste it. Alright. And then put a 0.6 smile. And change the color to it's about like this is fine, I think. There you go. And copy that. Oops. Copy that, paste it. And then I got the logo also. Copy it. And then gonna zoom it out. Right. Oh, hold on. Let's make the adjustment first. Alright, that's fine. 10 is good. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. Alright, about this much. 5. There you go. Alright, there you go. Just to make it even, right? Okay, and what the people say is it's a good place. 4.9. I mean, 4.9. See? Very good place. I love it. Very delicious. Okay. And that sounds better like that. Okay. So now we're gonna come up with the words saying that this is really nice place. Okay, text. Oops. Text. Say really nice place to have a good strong strong lunch after work out. That's what I did, and change the color to black. All right. Well, since if you guys are wondering where those coming from, I'm in the parking lot of Walmart. So, and just had a free time, so and kind of decided to make a video. You know, so this is good for now. We create with this one. So do. Oops, don't need that. So we need to create this guy, and it works to rectangle. All right, this one too. Okay, make it group and place _1. Okay, copy, paste. Let's make it this way. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So the next one is the travel. So we're gonna copy this image, which is also I got from the website called unsplash.com. It's a great place to get a free high resolution image. So I paste it right here and delete this guy. We don't need it. Where is it? We don't need the second image also. And then this guy, delete it, copy it, paste it right here. Make sure it is 10, that's good. And in the middle, right? There you go. This is fine. This is fine. One more. There you go. This is fine. There you go. And it is Yosemite. And it is 50 miles away from you. And people also like this place. Okay. So now I'm gonna put a footer. Footer would be shape rectangle, and this guy right here. Okay, and the color is white, and we want to create shadow, but the shadow will be not this side but the other side. So we want to put the Y to -1, or maybe 0. -1 is too much maybe. Let's see. Blurriness is 2, 1. Oops, 1 is too much. There you go. And alright. Come on. What's going on with this? Okay. There you go. And the blurriness will be about this much. There you go. So we got this. We sham it and copy this guy, paste it right here. Right. There you go. Delete that and bring this image to here. And resize the image a little bit. There you go. And then kind of this icons. The icons we will need is this, guys. What's this? No, I don't need this. Okay, copy it, paste it. There you go. So 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and this one, between those two icons, I believe I put, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I put 60 pixels. Okay, so those, and the color is changed to that bluish. And then the last thing we want to do, I think we all did good, right? There you go. We want to change this guy here too. The first one, do that, blue, and then let's say we want to create that hover effect. Come on. Hover effect is line. By holding the shift key, you're gonna put the straight line and then change it to this bluish, right? Okay, let's see, 1, 2, 3. All right, so I think we all done here. I don't know where that came from. All right, so is both are good, looking good? Okay, that's fine. So thank you very much, guys. Please subscribe or push the like button. Um, just please let me know if this is my first video on YouTube. If I did anything wrong, please let me know, and I'll do my best to try to do it better than this tutorial. All right. Thank you so much for everything, for you guys. Thank you.